all that noise, since I really can't be bothered to answer every single one of you, I'll do it this way. One song for all those comments. Ready? One says dirty, one says thief, one says loser, one says leave. Has been, washed up, nobody cares. Funny how much noise comes from people who swear he's going nowhere. One hates his clothes, one hates his voice, one hates his life, one hates his choice. Different names, different lines, same old bitterness every time. Everybody's got a verdict, everybody knows it all. From behind a little screen, you stand 10 feet tall. Talk about Johnny, go ahead, throw your little comments his head. Call him finished, call him fake, call him anything you need to say. So many voices, same old game, different faces, same cheap aim. You say Johnny doesn't matter, yet here you all are, typing his name. One knows his habits, one knows his mind, one knows exactly what's wrong inside. One says ego, one says shame, another one can barely spell his name. One gets nasty, one gets crude, one comes looking for a fight to choose, and somehow every expert arrives right on cue. That's quite a crowd for a man you keep telling everyone nobody cares about. Interesting. Talk about Johnny, go ahead, fill that comment section up again. He's irrelevant, he's done, he's through. Funny how much attention he still gets from all of you. So many voices, same old game, different faces, different names. You say Johnny doesn't matter, then why are you all saying his name anyway? I think that covers everyone. Next.